Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a little bit different. I'm filming on the floor in my room, so I've got this box behind me here and another set of drawers just here. So today I'm going to be showing you what sort of products I have laying around that I keep on hand in order to top up my makeup kit. So this is all my little like extra bits and pieces that I have. So we're gonna do a bit of a handheld. So you'll have to bear with me, but I have this box here with all of my like bigger items and things that I don't really need to access that often. And then I have a set of drawers here, and this is in my room. I have like a few extra bits and pieces in here. So some of them are labeled. I've got personal, eyelashes, kit, and special effects. So we'll go through this one first. So in the top here, I just have like all of my personal products. This is sometimes anything that I have put in my kit and didn't really find that I was using or I liked, and I've taken it out and put it in here. So this little box is full of lipsticks. And then I have some eyelashes. This is like bronzers and like eyebrow products. At the back is like all of my older foundation and primers that I really don't use, but I'm just not quite ready to throw out yet. In this one here, I have a whole bunch of eyelashes. So these were the sort of lashes that I started with when I was at makeup school. Sometimes I'll use them for like editorial things, just like extra bits and pieces in here. This one here is my jewelry collection. So I have like all of my jewelry as well as like bits and pieces that I use for photo shoots. So if I'm doing like a beauty shoot, I might just get the model to pop on a pair of earrings. A lot of this stuff like I do wear, like my old watch and stuff. But yeah, so that's all my jewelry. And this one here, this is my most used sort of box. So I just have like extra tissues. I have Q-tips. I have the little lip ones. I have mascara ones, mini mascara ones, makeup remover, little disposable eyeshadow, sponges, more tissues. So I have beauty blenders, shadow guards. So I don't really use these. I don't really like them that much. So I have an extra Fix Plus by MAC. I have a RCMA no color filter powder. I have a few like sample pots and things at the back here. And then all of this stuff in this section, these are all of my loose pigments. So I have like the smaller, you would have seen in my last video, I have all of my loose pigments decanted into a, contact lens cases. So I've got like some creams in here that I have decanted as well. Like they're all of my loose stuff, because there's no point carrying around like 4 of these when I'm only going to be using the tiniest amount. I have a couple of extra lipsticks in here. My Elizabeth Arden 8-hour cream that I've also decanted into a sample pot. And I have a couple of extra mascara ones in here. Sorry, not mascara ones, mascaras for when I run out. And then this is here, I actually won, but I won it in like a giveaway, but I don't use it in my kit, and I already have these 2 products in my personal collection. So that's just staying in here for now until I figure out if I want to use it, or I might give it to my sister if she's lucky. So just pop all this stuff back in. These drawers get a little bit messy because I really don't open them that often. Oh, I forgot these. So I just shove them in. Oh. In this one here is like bits and pieces for my hair stuff. So I just have like some more hair ties, some little tiny clear ones, some tiny black hair ties. I have some hair nets, and obviously one of those is spilt. This one here is the thicker sort of like hair ties, the elastic ones. I have 2 hairsprays I don't really use, but they're just sitting in there. These I've decanted into my kit, so I just keep the boxes here in case I ever want to pop them back in the little trays. And this one here is just all of my old special effects stuff that I really don't use. I don't really do special effects anymore. This is probably the only thing that I would maybe take if I knew that I might have to do like a cut or something, and then this if I wanted to do like some bruising. But yeah, so that's just my little extras. Now we'll move into this box here. So in this box here, I have lots of things. So this box, inside a box, this is my car kit. So when I go back to work, this will stay in my car. I just took it out because, you know, we've been in isolation and it didn't need to be in there. So in here I have extra lashes. So I don't really use these very often, but if somebody does want like a really dramatic lash, I've got a couple of backups in here. I've got the half size. I'm not going to take all of these out, but these are all of my most used like Model Rock lashes. I have a dark brown root retouch. This is just all of my like extra cotton pads in case I run out if I'm on set. I have an extra doggy bags in case I need little rubbish bins. This empty spray bottle is for water in case I need to do like sweat on the skin and I wasn't prepared, like if it was a last minute thing. If it was something I already knew about, I have a water bottle that I put half water, half glycerine in, and that little mixture keeps it in like a little sweat ball. But this is a in case of emergencies bottle. I also have sample pots in here in case I need more. Extra little glue, some more lashes. I have some mini mascara ones. I have micellar water, 99% alcohol, and a spare mascara. So that's all the stuff that I keep in my car. Just pop this back in. That just literally belongs in the boot of my car. I also have a extra set of brushes. They're just like a really cheap set from eBay that also belong in my car for in case of emergencies. I have a tissue box. I have a new brown dry shampoo when my other one runs out. These are my curling one connections. So I have a 6-piece muck curling set and I only carry 4 in my kit, and then the other 2 stay in here in case I want to take them. I've decanted the Frizz Ease into one of these small little bottles into my hair kit as well, because I really don't need very much of it. I've also decanted one of these as well, so I have 2 of these. This is my new one and this is my old one that's almost out. I just purchased a new one because it was on special. I also have over here micellar water. This one here is a gel spray, so it's literally like a curling mist spray but in a gel form, so it hardens. It's really good for editorial to get like a bit of a different texture. This is a curl prep that I don't really use anymore, so it's just sitting in here. I have an extra isopropyl alcohol. This one here is a spray sunscreen that I use a lot in the summertime to spray across like the model's chest and stuff. 1, to protect them from the sun, and 2, because it gives a nice little like sheen. I have an extra mini hairspray in here. I put these in my set bag, all the mini hairsprays. There's another one in here somewhere. Yeah, here. So I put these in my set bag when I just need to carry like a small amount of product because it fits a lot easier. Have an isopropyl mirror straight, which is for my special effects kit. I have molding wax. This one here is just like a super cheap hair gel that I use for sticking on glitter for editorial. I have a little bit of my Cinema Secrets brush cleaner left. On this side here I just have a sunscreen. It's winter at the moment, so we don't really need that. I have more sample pots. There's like 50 in here. I've got pear soap that I use for my brows. This little thing here is more doggy bags. And then this guy, these are lashes. So these are my BM lashes that I just got, and I haven't added them to my kit yet, but I will be soon. I also have another bag here. I'm gonna pull everything out. So I will have to, there you go. This bag here has the rest of my Model Rock lashes. It also has extra nail polish removers and all of my extra bobby pins. So I'll just hold it up. Oops, sorry. So you've just got all my extra little bobby pins in it. It's just nice and convenient that they're all in one spot. And then this bag here just has all of my extra foundations in it. So all of the foundations that I've decanted into the smaller containers in my kit, I just top them up from here, so they just stay there. So we'll just pop this back in. And these little things on the side here, they're just the inserts from my other makeup bag that I have. I have like a briefcase makeup bag, and those are just the inserts, but I'm not using it at the moment. Yeah, so that's all of the extra things that I keep on hand, so they're like easy to access for when I need to like top things up. And this just lives in like the cupboard, little Harry Potter cupboard underneath my staircase at home. I hope you guys like seeing the kind of products that makeup artists keep on hand. It's a lot more convenient for us to have things laying around that's extras, because a lot of the stuff we have to buy online. So if we do run out and we need it in a pinch, it's really easy to just go into a box and quickly grab it to top up my kit. That way I always make sure that I'm never running out of things. So I hope you guys liked this video. Please let me know in the comment section below if you did, so I know to do more content like this. And I'll see you guys next week. Don't forget to like and subscribe.